Hi, I'm here today with my Porsche GT3RS Weissach, and as we all know, in this modern era, supercars are becoming so fast and so capable that on public roads you sometimes need a secondary form of defence against all those things out there trying to impede your driving. So I'm here today with the Road Angel Pure, which I've just had fitted to the car. It's a small device that fits just inside the windscreen here, and this tells you everything you need to know when out on the street. It tells you speed cameras, static cameras, fixed cameras, where police vans are. It alerts you of bus lanes, school zones, all the things that you really need to know when driving a car like this. Personally, I would highly recommend getting one, knowing that the Road Angel is going to look after you by spotting all the things that you may not have. It takes care of everything you need, so when you're focusing on the road ahead, this does the rest. You can either fit it to your supercar or give it to a family member, so again, they can just focus on the driving and let the Road Angel Pure do the rest for you.